Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, today we will learn and have presentation about our research. Our team are Bapak Sutarman, FB Sentosa, and me, Intan Rohman Nurmalasari. Okay, we will presentation about the effect of trichoderma and onion extract on the success of grafting in mango seedlings. Okay, we talked about onion. It's very interesting. Today we will share screen about this topic. We will share about our materi. Okay, for a moment. Okay. The effect of trichoderma and onion extract on the success of grafting in mango seedlings. We, from Department of Agrotechnology, Faculty of Science and Technology, Universitas Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for introduction, mango is a horticultural commodity that has good prospect for both national consumption and export. For the sustainability and development of mango cultivation, rejuvenation of plants by providing good quality seeds must always be cultivated. You know that vegetative propagation of plants using the grafting method, among others, is designed to combine varieties that are tolerant and resistant to environmental stress as rootstock, with varieties that have high productivity and an attractive fruit taste as a sign. To speed up the time of seed production through grafting, especially the emergence of roots and shoots, natural growth regulators are often used as well as synthetic chemical compounds. Onion extract can act as a growth regulating compound, such as gibberellin and auxin, which can influence the development of root elongation in the cell elongation process in plants. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to prevent infection and decomposition of contaminant fungi, it is necessary to protect with materials that can inhibit the activity of tissue, destroying microbi. One of the material used is the biological agent is trichoderma. Trichoderma sp is one type of saprophytic soil fungus that has the ability to suppress the activity of extracellular compound it produces and is mycoparasitic by directly attacking and inhibiting pathogenic fungi that cause plant disease 2 until 4, so that these fungus provide great benefit for plants. And you know that and able to produce growth stimulating compounds for plants 5 until 7. This study aims to determine the effect of Trichoderma experimentum for cort R TC TLKT 01 and shelled extract and their interaction on the success of grafting mango seedlings. Method of our research are trichoderma. For this experiment with T. aspergillum isolate TC GLKT 01 from the collection of the Laboratory of Microbiology and Biotechnology Universitas of Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo. The biological agents were reproduced on PDAM media After being incubated for 12 days, the culture was harvested and crushed using a blender, and sterile distilled water was added for 3 minutes to produce a suspension containing Trichoderma propagule. The preparation of shell extract began with extracting 250 grams of shallot bulbs to produce 200 milliliters of crude red onion extract. And then take as much as 15 ml and 30 milliliter and dissolve it with 1000 milliliter of distilled water, and then in the solution until well blend and prepare as a treatment. I'm sorry. Carry out an examination of the chemical composition of the extract. The chemical isolates that have been obtained are then analyzed using the application of the gas chromatography mass spectrophotometry or GCMS method. You can see this picture about make a flow chart of crafting activities. For a moment, you can look this part 1 method or make an incision in the sign, and then soaking the sign according to the treatment, and then making insert on the rootstock. You can connection binding, insertion of sign on the rootstock, and then spraying trichoderma, suspension, and onion extract, and then sprinkle sterile water to keep moisture. Experimental design and data analysis. The experiments in this study were arranged factorial in a completely randomized design or CRD. The treatment combination becomes without the trichoderma with an extra concentration of 0 milliliter, and then without trichoderma with an extra concentration of 15 milliliter, without trichoderma with an extra concentration of 30 milliliter, with trichoderma with an extra concentration of 0 milliliter, with trichoderma with an extra concentration of 15 milliliter, and with trichoderma with an extra concentration of 30 milliliter. With replication, 18 experimental units were obtained. All data from the observation that have been obtained were analyzed using analysis of variance or ANOVA at the 5% and 1% real level. Each treatment average value for all observed variables was compared with the difference against the control without being given trichoderma and or shell extract. For experimental studies, the observed variables were the time of short emergence in day and short growth length in millimeter on day 7, 15, 20, and 28 days after grafting or DAG. Result and discussion. You can look this table in table 1, result of gas chromatography mass spectrophotometry analysis of shell extract using methanol as a solvent. In this, the interaction between trichoderma and shell extract and the effect of each factor had no significant effect. P more 0.05 on the initial time of shoot appearance, but the percentage increase compared to control are present in figures 1. You can look this the interaction between trichoderma and shell extract and the effect of each factor had no significant effect on the increase in plant length, but the percentage increase compared to control are present in figures 2. Ladies and gentlemen, for this question, For discussion today, the absence of the interaction of effect between shelled extract and trichoderma is made possible by the presence of antimicrobial compound contained in shelled extract, which can inhibit bacteria and fungi, include the effect on trichoderma. One of the important performance shown by trichoderma is supplying plants growth regulators, which is to be not optimal for a long time or more than 2 weeks of incubation. A grafting process in which the availability of oxygen is depleted under a plastic layer. Meanwhile, it appears that the time of emergence of shoots in the trichoderma treatment is combined with either no extract or 30 milliliter of onion extract. But faster than control and other treatment combination. In both treatment, it appears that trichoderma promotes the acceleration of shoot emergence given its ability to produce secondary metabolites such as peptabols and arsenolide and various other active metabolites that promote emergence and shoot growth. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for a conclusion, trichoderma sp. Solid TCGLKT01 accelerate the emergence time of shoot by 26.87% and increase shoot length growth by 41.76 until 43.71% compared to the control. Onion extract at concentration of 15 milliliter accelerate the emergence of shoots by 10.45% and increase shoot length increase by 20.59% compared to the control. The combination of trichoderma and shelled extract at a concentration of 30 milliliter accelerate the emergence of shoots by 23.17% and increase shoot length by 32.94% compared to the control. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Billahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.